Imagine folding and unfolding your phone over 200,000 times. That's what one YouTuber did to test the durability of Samsung's latest foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite Samsung's claims that the phone can withstand up to 500,000 folds, the YouTuber encountered some concerning issues much sooner. To put the phone through its paces, the YouTuber, known as Tekkit, decided to fold the phone by hand rather than using a machine. This approach allowed them to simulate real-world usage more accurately, as folding machines tend to open and close the device at the same speed and force every time. By doing it manually, Tekkit introduced organic variables into the test, making it more representative of how people actually use their phones. So, what happened after 200,000 folds? According to Tekkit's final video and summary document, the phone started experiencing issues after just 6,000 folds. At first, it was a reboot error that recurred roughly every 10,000 folds. Then, around 46,000 folds, the phone began making creaking noises around the hinge. But that was just the beginning. At 75,000 folds, a mysterious black liquid leaked from the hinge, although it didn't appear again. As the test continued, the issues escalated. The device's speakers, including the top, bottom, and earpiece, stopped working altogether after 175,000 folds. On the other hand, the hinge became smoother to open and close, and the freestop feature still worked. But the elasticity of the Z Fold 7's new folding tech seemed to have been lost. These problems are alarming, especially since they occurred before the phone even reached 200,000 folds, the listed durability limit of previous Z Fold devices. This raises a crucial question. If the Z Fold 7 is rated for 500,000 folds, how many other problems might you encounter before reaching that number? Is Samsung's claim realistic, or is it just a marketing gimmick? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is durable enough for everyday use? Or are you skeptical about its long-term reliability? Share your opinions in the comments below.